ISE 2020. Wisdom Audio booth, welcome. We're showing a new product here called ICS3 and SUB1, which is a small aperture category. How do you get great sound and a very, very small grill hiding your speakers? That's a solution we have here. Very high performance, great quality. Using our PMD, planar magnetic technology, or main core technology, we had to develop a new driver to be able to do that, which is a spherical planar magnetic driver. Great little guy. And I'll be able to show you the product in the flesh on this side, if you come with me. There we go, one of the satellites that's shown here with the PMD inside, a little woofer in the back, and our bandpass subwoofer, 8.5 inch. All of that integrated, finished in the ceiling, plastered, painted, and the only thing you'll see is that small little grill will be 3 inch, round or square. If you want to know more, look at our website, wisdomaudio.com. Thank you.